Well, hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be going over the brand new palette from Dominique Cosmetics. That is right, you guys. This is the brand new Berries and Cream palette by Dominique Cosmetics, and we are going to do a first impressions review, eye tutorial. I have not touched this palette. I've looked at it, I've seen the colors, but I have not touched any of them or swatched any of them. So we are going to jump right into that. So if you would like to see the tutorial slash review, then keep on watching. So if you've not seen this palette, here is what it looks like. It is very, very pretty. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite, or actually my favorite palette that Dominique has put out. If you do not know, it is from a girl named Kristen Dominique. She has her own YouTube channel, and now she has her own cosmetic or makeup line called Dominique Cosmetics. I can't read. But yeah, so she's had a couple other releases as well, but this one is the newest one. Got the little slip in here, and this one is for, I think, the holiday season. It looks so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. But then this right here, the packaging on this one feels so much nicer than if you've used like the Lemonade palette or her first one. You know, the packaging was really great on that one too, but this one just feels a lot more luxurious. It feels a lot more like expensive or heavy. And then when you open it up, here are what the colors look like. And they are freaking stunning. I'm obsessed with these colors. That pop of blue down there is amazing. I cannot wait to dive in here. We're gonna go ahead and do a couple of swatches. Let's do the, ooh, that feels very soft. Again, I've never swatched this palette at all. So I've got three shimmers here, or like pearl metallic colors. Ooh, that's nice. This one right here, that one is amazing. They're all three. All three of those are really good, but I am excited. Let's do three mattes and see how they do. Ooh, that's so soft. Let's do this blue. I really want to mess with this blue. Ooh, that's nice. That blue is not bad either. That black is a little off. That could be a bit more pigmented, but not bad at all. Let's go ahead, jump into this eye look, you guys. I don't know. I never know what I'm gonna do, but we are gonna do it. So I've got you zoomed in here, and then when I ordered this palette, I got it off the Sephora website, and I believe it was $44. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was $44. And that's kind of on par with a lot of brands at the moment right now. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I'm gonna firstly start off with the shade Toasted right here, and I'm going to put this in my crease and kind of like all over the eye as a base. I have already primed my eyes with the Bad Habit primer, so eyes are primed. So you can use whatever primer that you like the most. Alright, so I'm going to go into this one right here. There's not a lot of kick up in the pan at all. I've used palettes that are a lot worse. This one is not bad at all. Barely anything comes up. And we're going to go ahead, I just did that like 20 times. We're going to go ahead, put this in the crease just as a base. It is a very, very light color. So, well, actually it shows up pretty nicely. I thought it was going to be a lot lighter than it is, but it shows up fine. And this one actually looks more cool toned. I think this palette is a bit more cool toned. I know it has some dark browns and warm tone. Well, it's got this dark brown here, and it's got this yellow, but a lot of the other ones are more cool toned. I love cool tone palettes because it really does work with my skin tone personally, but I know a lot of people struggle with cool tones, so I will try to make this tutorial kind of to where both people that like warm tones and cool tones will be able to wear this look if they really wanted to. And this is actually blending out really nicely. I haven't had to fight with it or go back in and get a lot more product because it really is packing on nicely the way that I wanted to, and it's sweeping across really, I almost said sweet, really nice. Awesome, so next what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to dip into the shade Cherry Juice right down here, and I'm going to go into the lid with this, not directly here, not on the lid, but like a little bit lower than where we put that crease shade. I'm going to use the same brush. This is a Morphe M518 that I've been using, and we are going to just put this right here. As you can see, we're not going all the way up here anymore. It's staying very, very still right in the middle of the lid, but not directly. This makes no sense. But we're going like here over, but it's not all the way directly on the lid. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And this one's blending out really nicely too. It is very dark, so it is this really, really deep, pretty berry color. So it is blending out really nicely. These dry patches on my eyes, man. You guys, these suck because they make it impossible to blend my shadow out because it's just like sticking to everything. Next, so I've got this blended out the way that I wanted to, and then next we're going to go ahead and go into this chocolate mousse color. There's a really, really nice rich brown right here. Sorry for this matte. You can see this. This is where I wipe all of my excess like shadow on, so that's why I don't get it on my bed. We're going to go into a Morphe M433 brush and dip into that chocolate mousse shade. And we are going to place this on the outer part of the eye just to deepen everything up. And I'm going to be doing more of a stamping motion for this. I don't want to sweep it because I don't want it to be like too dark. This chocolate brown is really, really nice. It's very pigmented. It's going on super well. It's blending nicely with the other shadows. It's not being like taken away from or anything, because these shadows that I've put down so far are kind of, they're not the same, but they do have quite a bit of similarity to them. So they're not all coming together as like one giant color. We don't want that. So I think that's actually where I'm going to leave it. So we have that darker outer V there. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Tarte Shape It Tapey, and we are going to cut the crease. I'm using my Alamar flat topped brush to do that. I love this brush for cutting my crease. I use it every single time. Alright, just like that. I think I may have put it up a smidgen too high, but it'll be fine. We're gonna still go on. The show must go on. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here called Warm Pie, and we are going to pat this all over the lid. And then I do have my Smashbox primer water today. I remembered to grab it before I sat down. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the brush with a little bit of this primer real quick, like. Boop. And then we're gonna go ahead and dip it into this Warm Pie shade. Oh, that's pretty. And that came up so easily on the brush. Okay, so we're gonna put this all over the lid, or where the concealer is. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is stunning. Okay, I did not expect for this to be this pigmented. Holy crap. This is so pretty. I've never used a color quite like this, and it has this, look at the shimmer in here. I am obsessed with this color. Holy crap. But I do want to go to the lower lash line now, and you guys, I want to mess with this blue right here. Okay, so we're gonna go in first. Let's do the blue on the inner part like that, and then let's do brown on the outer. And then I'm gonna, oh, by the way, this is a Morphe M508, and then I'm gonna go into a Morphe M506 and blend these two shades out and smoke them down. Well, I don't know how I feel about the lower lash line. Maybe some eyeliner, lashes, and mascara will fix the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my, where's it at? My Tarte Double Take liner right here. And then I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara today, like throwback. And then I'm going to be using the Lotus lashes in the style 710. I think that's what they are. I think it's 710 because I took the sticker off, so actually are, but they look like this. They're very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of these on, and then I will come right back to you for lipstick. And I'm back, you guys. I did go ahead and do my other eye off camera, as you can see, and I did go ahead and apply my lipstick today. For lipstick, I am using the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Vino, and I thought this went really, really well with the eye look today. I didn't. Okay. I thought I just smeared shadow on my chin. I didn't, though. But yeah, I thought this lip looked perfect with this eye because this actually is quite a dark look. I didn't realize it was going to be this dark, but I'm obsessed with it. I love looks like this. Like, it makes me look like, it makes me feel like a badass. Like, it really, really does. It makes me feel so cool. I'm just like, I'm feeling myself right now. I'm just like, I'm so into it. I love this look. You guys, this palette is dope. Alright, so if you're looking for a palette like this, if you like the color story in this palette in general, the shadows blended so nicely. This shade up here, holy crap. This shade, Warm Pie, this shade is everything. I have it all over my lid, as you saw. We did the tutorial, but this palette is amazing, you guys. The shadows that I did today, I loved. I'm definitely going to be using this palette more in the future because this is 100% my favorite palette that Dominique has put out, that her company has put out. This palette is amazing. So if you are into these colors, if you want to try this for the holiday season or for any time during the year, then I do not think that you would be disappointed in the slightest with this. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you didn't, go ahead and click up that like button and for me to subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.